If you want to make a Sabrina Carpenter inspired baby doll dress just like this one, here's how I make mine. I'm going to draw 2 pattern pieces, a front back panel, and then a puff sleeve piece. That's optional if you're just doing a tank. You need 3 measurements, your hip measurement, your chest circumference, and then your armhole depth. And then to make the dress gathered, we're going to multiply that hip measurement by 2 and the chest measurement by 2, and that's going to be the total circumference of the dress we're going to cut. Pattern is going to be the shape of a trapezoid, with the top shorter bit of the trapezoid being the circumference of your chest, and then the bottom being the circumference of your hips. We're going to draw this curve bit that's going to end up being the length of your armhole depth, that 11 inches. The thing about this pattern is that it doesn't have to be precise at all. You'll just erase those top parts of the trapezoid to make the armhole. Draw in our shoulder straps and neckline, and I do like a 2-inch width and a 3-inch depth. Whatever you decide to do is totally up to you. At this point, if you like the full shape, you can go ahead and just transfer it over to your pattern paper, but what I like to do is cut it in half so that I can cut it along the fold. Take the 36 and cut it in half, and the 39 and cut it in half, and that way I know how wide each quarter panel is going to be. For your length, it's totally up to you. And here's the shape transferred onto my pattern paper. So we're going to move on to the sleeves. Take this basic sleeve block and turn it into a short sleeve block. I'm going to do a basic slash and spread to give it more volume, make it ruffle. Be larger at the shoulder, and it'll be wider throughout. The wider will ruffle, and the longer will poop. Then we'll gather the top of the sleeve to give it the ruffle. But if you want to skip all this and just make the tank, that's cool too. Both of my blocks put together. Fold over the sleeve, you'll see how much we'll have to gather. Part 1, the boring part. Part 2 will be actually making the dress.